Coming out of COVID, there was a workplace phenomenon called quiet quitting. Unfortunately, that has now morphed into something more insidious, quiet cracking, which is a combination of feeling immense pressure and anxiety in the workplace, combined with the economic realities and perception of an ever-shrinking job market. In other words, feeling trapped, that you have no place to go. If you're suffering from these symptoms, you are not alone. I read yesterday that up to 54% of the workforce is experiencing some of these symptoms. So I would like to offer you 4 caring suggestions, or antidotes, if you will. And these are for everybody in the workforce, be they managerial, hourly, supervisory, VP, or CEO, because this phenomena impacts everybody. So here we go. Caring suggestion 1, open up your options. When we feel anxiety at work, the world tends to close in on us and we feel isolated and we feel there's only one thing to do, and that's get that project done now. Open up your options. Are there alternatives to the way that you and everybody else are currently working? What discussions need to be had to ensure a better product and greater satisfaction? And yes, even this. Is this the workplace for me? If you are experiencing symptoms of quiet quitting, I strongly suggest that you update that resume and get on those job boards, if for no other reason than to educate yourself about what is available out there in the world for you. Open up your options. 2, communicate upward. Let your supervisor know how you are feeling at work. Give both your supervisor and yourself the opportunity to have that conversation. Now, some people might be afraid that that's going to be seen as being a wimp, but I strongly suggest the conversation because one of 2 things are likely to happen. 1, the supervisor will say, you just gotta buck up, that's the way it is. Or 2, the supervisor will in fact be supportive and work with you to find ways to make the work better and more satisfying. In either case, you have a piece of information that will guide you forward. 3, reach out. Talk to coworkers, talk to peers, talk to friends and family. Form community and nurture connectivity. If you are feeling anxious at work and feeling isolated and feeling like there's no place to go, 10 to 1, you are not the only person. Form community. Number 4 is the most important of all, and it's this: self-care. Establish the discipline each day to have time to take care of yourself, to connect with that which is really important to you as an individual. And in that quiet time, ask yourself, can I really make this work? Or do I need to explore other options? Do I need to explore another company or another career? Have the conversation with yourself as part of your self-care. So, explore your options, communicate up, reach out, and always, always engage in self-care. If you like this, hit that like button. Please share and subscribe. I do offer individual coaching on, workplace satisfaction, career growth, leadership development, mentorship to new leaders. If you are interested, my email is in the description below. Thank you.